This desk changed the way I work. Here is why you need to see this. Hey everyone, it's Tashik here. Today I'm reviewing this ErgoYou Height Adjustable Desk, a premium sit-stand table designed to transform your workspace and your health. Whether you are a designer, gamer or work from home professional, you will want to see what this desk can do. This is ErgoYou E2 desk with a spacious 600 by 1200 mm tabletop finish in a beautiful light maple and sleek black steel frame. One of the standout features is the dual motor system, which lifts both sides of the desk smoothly, quickly and quietly. So even if you have heavy monitor or equipments, your desk adjusts everything perfectly. The desk comes with a control handset feature, an LED display showing you current height in real time, and 4 memory presets that let you save your favorite sitting and standing position. Just press a button to switch, no hassle, no guessing. Plus, it's backed by a solid 4-year warranty, giving you confidence that your investment will last. Also, ErgoYou includes their detached cable tray, which is an add-on accessory sold separately. But it keeps all the cable organized and your workspace clutter-free. Sitting for long hours can lead to back pain, stiffness and poor posture. A height adjustable desk lets you switch between sitting and standing, which improves blood circulation, reduce back pain and help you stay energetic throughout the day. Since I started using the desk, I have noticed less back discomfort and more focus during the long editing sessions. Research shows that a sit-stand desk can boost productivity and overall well-being. You might have heard of video like Why Sitting is Bad for You by Murad, or ergonomic expert explain how to set up your desk. They show just how important it is to move during your workday. Think about how much time you spend at your desk every day. Investing in a quality standing desk is not about just looks. It's about taking care of your health, comfort and productivity. With its dual motor, a smart LED controller, premium build quality and impressive stability even at full height, the ErgoYou E2 desk is a solid choice. Plus, ErgoYou offer a range of standing desks starting from Rs 15,000 to 50,000. So there is something for every budget. Overall, ErgoYou Height Adjustable Desk exceeded my expectation. It's premium, sturdy and makes working so much comfortable. If you are ready to transform your workspace, check the description below for the product link. And don't forget to use my exclusive coupon code TOSHI5 for an extra discount. Let me know in the comments if you would invest in a sit-stand desk for your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews.